spring cart cleaning, weeding, and flower planting. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at suporta. Inaanayahan ko rin po kayong mag-subscribe kahit sa aking mga simpleng non-prayer videos tulad ng gardening, paglilinis ng bahay, at mga gawaing pang-araw-araw. Malaking tulong po ito upang mas dumami ang viewers at mas marami pang tao ang maabot ng ating mga panalangin at nobena. Sa inyong bawat subscribe, share at panalangin, nakakatulong po kayo sa pagpapalaganap ng salita ng Diyos. Maraming salamat at pagpalain po kayo ng Panginoon. The wind is really strong. It's howling at the background, so I was not able to put much in the narration here. So let's just see how it goes. This was on Monday, May 4th, 2026. It was a very sunny day, so we tried after church to do some weeding, car cleaning, and some planting. I have several hydrangeas that I have to plant, so we tried to do our best.
Oh, I have that, but it makes me a big hole.
But that one is not bad. It's only a little hole.
Oh, okay, I better go look for it.
Yeah, it's only $5. I bought one because I have the big one too. But when you do it, it makes a big
Yeah,
hole.
it has a big hole.
Yeah, but this one makes a small.
Okay, at the dollar store.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, because I'm 78 in July and very difficult now.
Yeah, it is. Well, I can bend, but if I kneel down like that, I can't get up.
That's why I have this,
Yeah,
and then I have this.
yeah, yeah. No, you gotta help
Yeah.
yourself, right? Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you wanna, look at it, yeah.
Yeah, I will look at it.
I don't know
Yeah.
how big yours is, but
Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, it's about this big. Maybe when
yeah. Well, this
it's
it
the
has-
older one.
Yeah,
That you stick on the ground and then you
Yeah.
step on it and
Yeah.
then you pull.
yeah.
Yeah, it does
This one,
work,
you-
except it makes a
you
big
pull
hole.
it down, you push it down, and
Yes.
then you twist it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
Because it's now
Yeah.
it's getting. I did not do anything last year
yeah,
because we were all busy and sickly. So
yeah,
and now see,
yeah.
that's
a
about big and
one,
deep.
huh? Yeah, yeah. It's not happen.
Yeah, and you have to dig it, otherwise it's going to
Yeah.
multiply.
Oh yeah, for sure. I just thought I would let you know.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Take care.
Wow, a really nice neighbor from our neighborhood trying to help me where to get a little thing from the dollar store to help me pull the weeds without bending. So I shall check it out. It's really a very windy afternoon, so you can hear the wind howling there at the background.
And it's only $5 as hindi ka magbe-bend. Sabi niya, I just thought I'd let you know. That's nice of her. Siya yung nasa dulong-dulo, diba?
Siya ba yun?
Yeah. Ha?
Wala na intinda. Tama siya nun eh.
Ito man daanan, pareho natin.
Every so many feet there are weeds, so I had to try to pull them out, otherwise it will multiply. As I was saying before, ang mga matatanda dito sa Canada ay sarili nila ang pagtatrabaho kasi pareho ng asawa ko at saka myself wala kaming mauutusan. Kung gusto mo namang umupa, mahirap din maghanap ng medyo mura, kaya ginagampanan na lang namin kung anong magagawa namin. Tsaka exercise din para lang makalabas kami ng bahay. Pagkatapos ng misa, di gagawin namin ito pagkatapos ng simba. Yun nga lang, sa mga almost 80 anyos na mahirap na ring lumuhod, masakit na ang tuhod, masakit na ang ano bang tawag dito, balakang, ang hips. Pagtatayo ka, medyo mahirap na, masakit din ang likod. Tapos maya-maya magtatanim ako ng hydrangea. Gagamitin ko yung bareta, napaka bigat pala ng bareta. Especially for a 78-year-old little old Filipina lady.
June.
Ito naman ang aking asawa, naglilinis ng kotse. Pero sa halip na vacuum ang gamitin niya dahil magbebend siya, ang ginamit niya ay leaf blower para lang matulungan yung kanyang likod na hindi siya magbebend. Ay hindi ko pala nailapit ng tama or na-focus ng tama yung telepono. Wala kasi akong camera. Kaya I just use whatever I have. I have no equipment. I have no good camera to take videos. So I'm just using my phone.
Still.
Tapos hindi pa ako marunong mag-focus.
Again.
So, ayan, at least nakaka-record ako ng kung ano yung ginagawa namin. Meron kaming remembrance later on. Pag hindi na talaga kami makakilos, makapag-garden. The weeds that I was pulling were the dandelions. The flowers looks really nice, a bright yellow when it is fresh, but when it dries up like that, it really doesn't look good on the lawn. It just looks good on the meadows, but not on the property lawn. So that's why we are trying to eradicate it one by one. Because if it becomes a lot, when it becomes rampant, mahirap nang lipulin. So iniisa-isa ko yan. Kahit ako nakaluhod at nahihirapan akong magbunot, kailangan kong isa-isahin at alisin lahat yan. Also, I have to make sure that I will make the smallest hole I can make, because the lawns will have several holes, and then we have to refill the holes with soil and then put grass seeds again. It's going to be a lot of work if I make big holes. So that's how we do it here in our country, our adopted country of Canada, which is a very good country for us. Nakita nyo kanina pa ako palipat-lipat every step, ano lang, basta niipod ko lang yung, nililipat ko lang yung aking miller. Ayan, andyan na ako sa tabi ng street. Yung nasa kanan ko na yan diyan na nagpapark ang mga sasakyan pag wala ng space sa aming driveway, o kaya yung ibang tao na may mga party, dyan na lang nila ipinaparada yung sasakyan nila sa harapan ng hindi bawal. Kasi dito sa harapan ng bahay namin, hindi bawal mag-park dyan. Pero sa opposite side, hindi pwedeng mag-park, lalagyan ng ticket. Kaya yan, kailangan na wala ako sa street kasi pwedeng masagasaan ako. So that's how it is in Canada. Oops, napunta din ako sa street. Sabi ko baka masagasaan ako. Kaya lang sinigurado ko muna na there's no traffic, there's no cars coming. If the cars are coming from my left, it will be on the other side of the street. But if the cars are coming from my right, it will run me over. So, make sure ko na walang sasakyan habang nag-aalis ako ng weeds dyan sa gutter ba ang tawag dyan. Yeah, I think it is gutter. Okay. Just letting you know and letting you see how we live here in Canada for senior citizens like us na 80 and almost on 80 anyos na.
I know that they'll be coming back again. Unfortunately. Dangerous weapons I'm using for digging the weeds. I have to be very careful because I'm already very wobbly.
Yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, isang kutsilyo at saka yung isang binili kong pang weed. Binili ko yun. Talagang pang alis ng weed yun. Pero yung kutsilyo, mas maliit kasi ang hole na nakukuha niya. So ginamit ko yung kutsilyo naming luma pero napakatulis, minsan nakakatakot. Kasi kailangan kong maging maingat dahil wobbly na ako, baka ako madapa. I tried to make it easier for me by bringing a light foldable bucket beside me na ilalagay ko na lang yung weeds after I pull them out instead of leaving the weeds in the ground or on the ground tapos babalikan ko para pulutin ko uli. Kaya bumili na ako ng bucket na magaan so that I don't have to keep coming back to the pulled weeds para ilagay sa paper bag na ilalagay sa recyclable. So that's how I make my life is easier so I can still do what I need to do at my age. Tingnan nyo, para akong nagsa-surgery ng weeds sa aming lawn. Tinatry ko na maliit lang na hole ang gagawin ko para makuha ko yung mga weeds. Kasi kung hindi, talagang lalagyan namin yan ng ng lupa at lalagyan na namin ng mga seeds, grass seeds. Nakita nyo sa kabilang yung kalye may mga dumadaan na sasakyan. Tapos mamaya dun sa other side ng street kasi, ayan may mga dumadaan kasi doon lang sa kabilang side mayroong sidewalk. Sa side namin walang sidewalk, sa doon nagdadaan yung mga tao pag naglalakad, pero paminsan-minsan especially kung may snow at hindi na-plow yung sidewalk, nagdadaan din sila dito sa tapat namin. Tapos yung ibang mga bata nagnanakaw ng aming markers dyan sa tabi ng kalye. Nilalagyan kasi namin ng markers kasi yung snow plow, pinaplow yung aming grass na sisira. So that's why we put the markers so they know up to where the plow is going to be in when they come. Pagkatapos ng weeding o pag-aalis ng mga dandelion sa lawn, magtatanim naman ako ng mga flowering plants sa harapan ng bahay doon sa malapit sa steps. I will make another video. Natapos ko na ang pagbubunot ng mga weeds. Ang gagawin ko naman ngayon ay magtatanim ng mga bulaklaki na halaman katulad ng hydrangea. Tapos na siguro ang frost, so hindi na malalamigan at hindi na mamamatay yung mga halaman. Paki-subscribe po lamang, paki-like at paki-share para po lumawak ang aking subscribers at saka viewers para kumalat ang aking mga prayer novenas. Thank you po.